Hey guys, now in this video let us understand why Docker containers they are lightweight and fast. Now in our first video we understood Docker image and Docker container at a very high level, and in our second video we saw a very simple example of Docker container, that is hello world application, right? Now in this video let us understand that the Docker containers they do not have their own operating system. See, because Docker containers don't have their own operating system, hence the containers they are lightweight and they are fast. Now guys, to keep the things simple, I mean to make it easier for you to understand, let us first understand what kernel is. So guys, imagine this is your local laptop, and this local laptop obviously it has CPU and memory, that is it has hardware, right? So let's say this is the hardware of our local laptop. Now guys, obviously in this local laptop we must have installed some operating system. So let's say it's a Windows operating system. Now obviously this operating system it needs to connect to this hardware, right? To the CPU and memory. Now this operating system it connects or it interacts with this hardware through kernel. So here we may have something called kernel. So again, operating system through this kernel interacts with the underlying hardware, that is CPU and memory. Now let's imagine a container is running in our local laptop. So let's say this is a container which is running in our local laptop. So obviously this container is running. That means our application is also running. So this container it will have .NET runtime, our application code, NuGet packages, that is dependencies. But this container does not have its own operating system. So when this container it wants to interact with this CPU and memory, that is this hardware, it interacts through this kernel. So in simple words, the container they use the kernel of the operating system of the underlying host machine. So for example, let's say if we have another container running on the same machine, so let's say this is another container. So obviously it will have different code, different dependencies, that is NuGet packages, etc. But this second container as well, it will interact with this CPU memory, that is hardware, again through this kernel. So as you can gauge, the container they do not have their own operating system, and that's why the containers they are lightweight and fast. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for listening.